Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw green from the new game Rainbow Friends. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with green from Rainbow Friends, let's begin with the eyes. So we're going to start up here towards the top of our paper, and let's start with a circle for one of the eyes. Then we're going to leave some space and we'll make another circle over here for the other eye. Now, inside of here, let's add the pupils. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a circle, and then we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a nice circle. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white at the top, just so we can have a little bit of a reflection. So we'll do that same thing for both pupils, leaving just a little bit white at the top. Starting up here, let's make a line that comes up, and we'll do the same thing over here, just a little line up. Then we're just going to connect this with a nice curve. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line down right here. Next, let's make the mouth. So starting right here, we're going to make a nice big long smiley face. Then right here, we're going to make a nice tall one. So we're just going to go down and then up. Now we want to add the teeth. So we're going to go up and then down, up and down, up and then back down. And then let's put 3 at the bottom. We're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. They'll make a little sad face right across here for the tongue. Then right underneath here, I'm going to add just a little curved line. Next, let's continue this line down a little bit farther. And then we're going to make the arms. So starting right out here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to curve it over to here. We'll do that same thing here. We're going to go out, we're going to come up, and then bring it out like this. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then back. Then right here, we're going to make another one that's going to go down and then kind of come back. And then we'll do one more, just going to go down, and then we're going to curve this in just a little bit. Let's do that same thing over here. We're just going to come out, and we're going to bring it back, kind of like a long, skinny oval shape. We'll make another one here, just kind of go down and then up. And then one more, just down and up, and then when we bring this up, we're just going to curve it in. Now, starting here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it right back here towards the body. Do that same thing here, just go down, and bring it right back towards the body. Starting here, we're going to go down on each side, just to kind of shape out where the body's going to be. And then we want to make the legs. Now to draw the legs, we're just going to come out, and then we're going to bring it down. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go out and bring it down. We'll add a little curve right here and another curve right across there. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then in. And we'll do that same thing over here. Let's come up and then bring your line right up to here. Then we'll draw a little line right across here to connect the legs. And there you go. There is your drawing of green from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.